What other way on Instagram is there for you to send one message and have it reach hundreds, if not thousands of people in their DMs at once? Broadcast channels are literally the only way to possibly do that, and I don't think we really realize like how powerful that really is. You can post like one-to-many on stories, obviously, but not all the time is it that people see your stories. But if someone's getting a message in their DMs, there's a very high chance they're going to actually look at it. And Instagram just announced a new feature with broadcast channels where you can actually bring guests into your channel. I think this is probably one of the most underutilized ways to build community within your audience because it's so new and so many people don't really know what to do with it at this point. So let me give you my tea on how I would use this if I were you. With the new feature, I think this is a great opportunity for some cross promotion with you and maybe someone who is similar in your niche. If you guys do a little swap, you go in their broadcast channel, answer some questions, give some tips, and they do the same for yours, you are reaching both of each other's audiences in the DMs. They are going to see it. But I think this is also a really great place to be super, super casual with your audience, even just one-on-one, where you can maybe show behind the scenes on a post that you shared that day so that you can get people excited to go look at the post, but also show them like a really candid view of what it was like getting there. And now remember, you can send videos, voice memos, photos, text, like anything in here, polls. So utilize all of those different forms, like record a video of yourself when you're doing something, just talking to the camera, like you're FaceTiming a friend, and send it in your broadcast channel. Provide early access to things or discounts to your offers exclusively to your channel. Utilize it in a way that's like a newsletter, but like a more one-on-one personalized version of it that maybe you'd be sharing like with your best friend. Does this make you any more excited to use broadcast channels? Because I think this is a feature that is going to catch on, and if you get on it now, you have a really good opportunity to build that community before everyone gets in like hundreds of broadcast channels.